This week and next week, we're going to begin learning about maps and different characteristics of the landscape. So what I want you to do is I want you to get onto your iPad and go to Google or your parent's phone, because I want you to take a look at some maps, and then we'll talk about what you see tomorrow. So when you go onto Google, I'll start from the beginning. So if you go to the compass, go to Google, and I want you to type in maps, M-A-P-S, map. And when you press go, I want you to go to Google Maps at the top. So Google Maps. So have your helper or your parents help you find that. And then you'll see a map, and it should be a map of Farmington if that's where you're at when you're looking at it. I want you to look at the different lines you see on the map. I want you to use your finger and zoom out. See the greens, see the tans, see the blues, see the roads, and I just want you to explore this map, because we're going to talk about what a map shows us. So if I zoom in, right here it says it's the town of Farmington, that's where we live, but I see a blue dot up there. I'm going to zoom into the blue dot. So if I zoom in, it says Farmington Lake. We're going to be learning about what the different things on a map show us. After you zoom around Farmington, you can go out, out, out. You could start to see oceans. You could see our continent, our country. It says the United States. I just want you to play around with this. After you've kind of played around with this, you could click on this one down here, and it says satellite images. So a satellite image is almost like a picture of what it looks like from space. So if I zoom all the way back into Farmington, I can see these blue streaks here. They're green. That's where the rivers are. I can see Nappy because all of the little irrigation circles here from where all the farmland is, and play around with this one. I just want you to look, ask questions, like what are these bumps over here? What does that mean? We're going to talk about that. But for now today, I want you to play around on Google Maps on your iPad. And then tomorrow we will discuss more about finding mountains, lakes, rivers, oceans, and other characteristics of maps. Now it's your turn.